I just want to make a quick update on my firework stash. So earlier I used some. Sorry, I forgot to film it. I was going to put it on YouTube, but I couldn't because I didn't get to film it. Oh, Chance, what are you doing in there? Stay out of the camera. Stay out of the YouTubers. Okay, come on. You're doing thumbs up, yes. And I still got my 2 punk. Oh, actually, I used to get like 2 punk. I used 2 punks. I used to have 4. I actually think I have another one somewhere in here, but I don't know where it would have went. I still have my sword. I used 2 of my tanks. I used most of my smoke balls. All my crackling balls. I used some of my ground balloons. I used one of my smoke bombs. What else did I use? Oh yeah, I used my car. I used, what else did I use, darn it? I used, what else was it that I used? I need to remember. Hey, Chance, get out. Get. Oh, come on, man. Chance. I'm hitting him with a firework. Come on, get. Oh my god, don't eat that. It's really bad for you, Chance. He's like, oh my god. Go. Hey, Chance, come on. I'm knocking everything down. Giddy. I used, all my wizards. I used all my those magic whips. Yeah. So I have some smoke balls left. I have all these left. Everything I need left. And who knows, maybe we'll get more. Oh, Chance! How dare you? You're just thinking you can eat my fireworks. Well, not cool, Chance. Not cool, my oops. Chance, look what you did. Look what you're doing. You're just taking all the fireworks down. Oh, man, Chance. Hey, Chance, stop. Stop it. And remember, giving me those thumbs up really helps with support on my baby hummingbird. There she is. Pretty. Girly. Here. Feed her. Just a minute. I'm going to set my phone down for a second. Frick. Oh, man. So what I do is I take this dropper right here. Take some nectar. And I need to open the cage. Oh, she's opening her mouth. You ready? Is that good? Is that good nectar? Are you hungry still? She can't fly at the time. She's got a wound to the wing. Found her down at a local creek, Larson Creek, Medford, Oregon. Oh, I better shut this for her. You still hungry? Alright, open the pack up for you. Oh, you're still hungry, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Still hungry. Oh. There. Cool. There you go. And she's fully fed now. She shut this. Oh, birdie. Oh, good girl. Good chirpy, aren't you? She's fed. I hope it is. That's my firework stash. Who knows? We could easily get more. So, yeah. Have a good 4th. Happy birthday, America.